Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 66 Vet, 427, 425 horse, numbers matching, 4-speed. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that 427. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Corvette investment. So come on up, we're gonna fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. The paint is brand new on the car and it is looking slick. Love the hood on these cars, man. They just look so tough. All the emblems looking good. The hood's fitting great. Headlights are fitting great. Chrome on the bumpers looks like it's brand new. All the emblems down the sides, it's got true knockoffs on it. Look down the side of that car. Look at the body work on this car. Just a phenomenal paint job on it. Let me pop the door open here for you. Look at that. Look at the interior in there. Looking beautiful. Now, the carpeting in the car is the original carpeting. That goes to show you this car was very, very well kept throughout the years. Very, very cool. Even the weather strip around the doors, this is all original. That tells you that this car was very well kept. All this is original. All the weather strip around the door, all original. Car super, super well kept throughout the years. All the trim around the back window looks good. The chrome on the rear bumpers also looks brand new. The tail light lenses look like they're brand new. Fuel cap, also, that's probably original to the car. It's in beautiful shape. I see just a couple of spots that tells me more than likely that is original. Look down the side of the passenger side, straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Corvette. Right now we have a little over 240 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. So you can bet we spend the time and check them out before we buy them. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can let you know exactly what's going on with the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you all you need to know about the car. Now, we bought almost 50 new cars last month and I was involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take a 66 Vet for a ride. Numbers matching big block under the hood. Side pipes sounding awesome. I tell you, big block power in a 66 Vet. Let's go racing, guys. This car's sweet. She is amazing. I tell you, I really never saw the draw to Corvettes till I started driving one, so these things are definitely built to go racing. It is a blast to drive them. It's actually an honor to drive these cars. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. So you just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. And if you want some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too, no problem whatsoever. We got 3 different bankers we work with. They'll actually take some of these cars out to 10 years now, making it really easy to park this dream in your drive. I tell you, it's going straight down the road, but the steering wheel is not straight. I'm gonna have the guys put it up on our computerized alignment rack and make sure they get that steering wheel nice and straight for you. Now, as you can see down here on the dash, the tack is working, the speedo's working, the gas gauge is working. We got oil pressure and water temp here. It does have the stock radio. Of course, it is 4-speed and it's shifting awesome. That side exhaust is sounding great. One of the funnest things about driving a 4-speed when you got a nice exhaust system is making that exhaust sing. I tell you, It is music to my ears, these big blocks. Now we're real close to the airport here at Vanguard. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. We'll actually come down to the airport and pick you up if you'd like to fly in and check out this car in person. Now we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, but we do love to have customers come in. I love meeting my customers. So please come on in if you have the ability. If you'd like to drive in, we're actually here on Saturdays. If you want a road trip on a Saturday, just call Tom, let him know you're coming so we can have your favorite vehicle right up front, because we do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 240 cars right now. So that's a lot of cars, guys. We may have to dig your favorite car out. Now here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside, and then we're gonna pop the hood and see what's going on under the hood. All right, we're underneath this 66 Vette now, nice and clean under here. There is a spare tire inside that spare tire holder. All the bushings and everything back here looks satisfactory. The brakes have been rebuilt on the car. All the cross members, everything's looking good under here. Right around the 360 gear, and of course it is Posi. Frame solid as a rock. All you Corvette guys know you gotta check out the dog legs here in the frame. It is solid as a rock. Cross member looks good. Again, the cross member is one of the first things to go. The Muncie transmission is numbers matching. It's got the stock appearing bell housing. It does have the mechanical clutch, and of course it does have side pipes on it. We do have, looks like a steering damper on here. All the bushings up front look good. The front brakes have also been rebuilt. It looks like, I can see what looks like probably a couple new ball joints were put in at one time. Bottom side of this car is nice and clean, nice and solid. All the chrome looks good. All the fiberglass looks awesome. I mean, this is one nice Corvette on the bottom side, guys. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, we got a set of real knockoffs on this car. This is really cool, guys, from back in the day. This is race car stuff right here. 205 75 15s, and again, side pipe covers look good, the rocker molding looks good, and man, look at that paint, looking gorgeous. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here again, great looking knockoffs, and again, like I said, they are real knockoffs. Look, not a mark on them anywhere. And again, the size on the tire, 205 75 15. Let's get under the hood and take a look at that numbers matching power plant. All right, under the hood here, we've got the numbers matching 427, 425 horse. It's got the correct intake on it. It's got the numbers matching 780 Holley carb on top. Looks like the exhaust manifolds are correct. They've been all cleaned up. The plug wires are correct. It does have manual brakes, and it does have manual steering, because this is a go-fast car, guys. Looks like it's got a brand new AC Delco battery in it. The top side of the upper suspension here looks good. It's got a fan clutch on it. The radiator's nice and clean. It looks like the alternator's fine, fairly new. Guys, the underneath side of this car looks amazing. She's a 66 Vette. It's got a numbers matching 427 in it. Numbers matching trans. You don't find these. These are very, very rare. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.